Hello everyone, let's make some delicious homemade salad dressing. So I have olive oil here. This is what you need: olive oil and some lime juice and some balsamic vinegar and some coarsely ground black pepper. And you can add anything you want for your salad, but I have spring mix here. This is my favorite. And I have chopped some thinly sliced green apple, which is this one, the Granny Smith apples. And I have some onions here and some pineapple. This is optional, but it's delicious. So let's make the salad and the salad dressing. So first I usually put like 2 teaspoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. That's 1. And that's 2. And then I put 2 teaspoons of balsamic, and then maybe 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Depends on how you like. I like 1 teaspoon. Now you mix it. Look at that. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Maybe 2. I'm going to do 2. Black pepper's right there. Now you can taste this and see whether you have enough black pepper, enough lime juice. So now let's add to this one. And now I'm gonna add the onions, apples, and the pineapple. Check this out, okay? Mix well. Okay. Let me test one. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste here. It's really good. That's it. It's so simple. Homemade olive oil, balsamic, black pepper, salad dressing with your favorite salad. You can add anything you want here. That's it. This is very easy, simple recipe. Make your own salad dressing, it's delicious. This has balsamic vinegar, olive oil, some black pepper and some lemon juice. It's delicious. You can add anything to your salad, whatever you like. You can put hard-boiled eggs too if you want. But this is the way how I like it. So it is done. Look at that. It's delicious. Apple and that red onions and that balsamic vinegar with some black pepper. It's really good. Try it. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day everyone. I will see you on my next video.